So you and just pull it up just like that. What's going on, my YouTube family? How you guys doing today? This is Bruce with Bruce Custom Motors, bring you guys another amazing video. I definitely appreciate all of the new subscribers and all of the OG Day One subscribers. I know I haven't posted in a while. We've been going through some really tough weather and freezes and power outages over here in Texas. So I appreciate everyone that's sticking by my side through this process. But yeah, this is going to be on my subscriber request series. So basically, anytime a subscriber gives me a request, I generally will do that request within a couple of weeks or so. I thought this was an interesting one. It's from my mod list video. If you guys want to see my mod list video about how you can get some cool stuff, go ahead and check out this link right here at the top. So let's get straight to it. So basically, this video is about your shift knob, and that's going to be your shift knob. Now, if you have a B8 Audi, A7, A6, A4, even potentially an A3 or ttrs, you probably have the round shift knob. And I even know some B8.5 Audi A7s could potentially have that round shift knob. Now, with how amazing they did with the interior of this car, I definitely feel like the shift knob was something that was a missed opportunity. I feel like the round one just doesn't give you that sporty look that you really need. So I'm going to show you how you can go from looking like this, looking like this, or to looking like this. The reason I upgraded from the round one to this one is because, as you guys can see, I have a perforated custom steering wheel. So I just wanted to kind of match with the two. However, I do have a new B9 steering wheel coming in, and I'm going to show you guys. Who knows, I might do a giveaway to one of my subscribers on this shift knob and this steering wheel, as I won't need it anymore. So stay tuned, like and subscribe. That's going to be in a future video. So right here, as you can see, it matches. So that's why I got rid of this one. This one was perfectly fine. However, this one does have, you know, the stitching, and it is perforated. A little bit more advanced than this one. You can roughly get one like this off of Amazon, ranging between 40 and 70 bucks, and one like this ranging between 70 and 100 bucks. However, if you don't want the sack and you just want the top piece, I think you can probably get the top piece a little bit cheaper, around 30 or around 25, between 25 and 40 bucks for either one, just to let you know. So pretty much the way that it works, guys, as you can see from this one right here, there's just clips right here. So it just clips in just like that. So it basically clips right into here. So guys, I pretty much use this clip right here. I just went inside, pried it up, and popped it open. No scratches to my vehicle. Pretty simple process. It's not tedious at all. And right here, you just pull it up, and that's your shift knob. And as you can see, that's what controls it. And this lever is what allows you to go into gears and not go into gears. So what you do once you get that is you just pull this lever. See that? You retract it like that. You pull the lever and you retract it like that. Once you retract it, you have to pull it up. So I'm gonna pull it up. So you and just pull it up just like that. So as you guys can see, it just pulls out just like that. That's how easy it is to upgrade your shift knob. You just pretty much just unclip it from right there. Once you unclip it, you pull out this lever right here. Once you pull out this lever, it enables you to pull it up, and then you can just buy the shift knob that you want. Of course, it's going to be one that generally is going to be probably a B8 to B8.5. Sometimes you may have some B7s that may mix and mingle, but as you guys know, with my B9 Audi and a lot of the B9 Audis, they changed the new shift knobs to the short ones to where you can do most of the gear from it. And so, yeah, you do it like that. As you guys can see, you have these two shift knobs. I'm just going to reverse it and put it back on. Now, when you put it back on, I purposely did this because a lot of people may make the mistake. You have to retract this the same way that you pulled it out before. So it's always good to hold it, but it's very difficult to hold it where it won't go back in. It does, when you buy it, does come with a red bracket that you can put on there, so you won't have to go through the trouble of putting it off and on. As you guys can see, I pulled it out all the way. You won't believe what I did. To pull it out, I basically just got some tape, got some scotch tape, duct tape, and I just use that to pull it out. Like I said, it comes with a red tool. So this part right here is probably for the dingy people like me who move too fast. But you have to, when you're pulling it out, I recommend to put something right there, like a coin or penny, so it won't go back in. That way you're able to pull it out. That's if you're putting the same one on there. Like I said, the new one will come with the red thing, so you won't have to do this extra step. But if you buy one refurbished or a used one, then you would probably need to, you know, find something to stick in there so it won't go back in. So now I'm just gonna hit it down. All right, let it retract. And now it's working properly. All right, so now that it's working properly, the only thing I'm gonna do at this point, go ahead and press that reset button from my hack video. So now, the only thing I'm gonna do at this point, just put the clips back in. Just put the clips back in. Just clipped it back in, guys, and it's that easy. That's how you upgrade from the boring round one that they came with to this new perforated one. As you guys saw from the comparison on a screenshot. The other thing is just like a cheap little part, guys. Don't tear me up on this one. Like I said, some people may like this. I already have enough carbon in my car, and I actually have a new, like I said, B9 steering wheel coming in, and I have an Alcantara shift knob cover coming in that I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to put that on here. It's going to be Alcantara right here and Alcantara right here, so it's going to go really good with the carbon, with that like light gray. Is this. So this is pretty much about a $20, between a $10 to $25 part, depending where you buy it from. And all that this is, guys, is you can look, it's just, it comes with 3M adhesive on it. It's like a carbon look shift knob. And basically, it's not going to be that seamless on mine because the 3M is not good anymore. But basically, you just get this. You just place it on top like that. Then you get this bottom piece. And then you just place that at the bottom like that. And place it at the bottom like that. And then you have a carbon fiber shift knob for your Audi. So that's pretty much it, guys. You just, that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you upgrade. And believe it or not, they do have the newer look Audi shift knob for our vehicles. And I'm going to show you right here in the link. I'm going to show you guys right here. So if you want yours to look like the newer kind, if you like this kind, the same process works for this one. So like I said, I think this is just a cool way to make your Audi look better. You don't have to necessarily go, you know, with carbon. You can just go with perforated, or you can just go with the traditional B8.5 upgrade, which I think is a really nice sleek look too. If you want to just go with the regular B8.5 upgrade, but it looks a lot better than the B8 ones and a lot of ones that comes on the Audi A7s and A6s. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I'm gonna keep the videos coming. Like I said, I appreciate all my day one subscribers on my team. Like I said, once I get my new wheel in, I'm going to do a giveaway on the steering wheel along with a shift knob. I don't know which shift knob I'm going to give you guys, but I'm going to give you guys a shift knob. It's going to be one of these newer shift knobs. All right. Peace out, guys. Stay tuned. Like, subscribe, and share.